Does it ever feel that sometimes, even when you're doing everything right, you're being seen on the right platforms, you're trying to talk to as many people as you can, you're trying to find the right connections, nothing seems to land? There are no job opportunities, there are no big career shifts, there is no traction in your personal brand. It's just crickets. It's logical to think at that time that it is because of the market, it's because of the way the industry is moving, it's because of all the other external factors that possibly could be. But I would argue that a majority of times, the reason why things are not landing could possibly be because you're just not talking to the right people. And just like in a product's life, not knowing the right audience or not being able to reach the right people makes all the difference in its longevity, its success, and its eventual revenue. The same logic applies to us and our careers. When we are trying to make things shift, when we are trying to take the next big leap, we need to know who are the right people to talk to, just as importantly as we need to know what our message is. And of course, what happens when you don't know who you're speaking to is that you don't know what you're really saying because you don't know what problem statement it is that you're actually addressing. And therefore, your message becomes vague, your brand becomes vague. And when it becomes vague, you blend in. Defining that target audience can follow the same process that brands follow to define target audience for their products. Give it a persona, give it as much detail as possible. And a way to start for that detail is to first identify what you do well. So once you know that this is what you want to pursue, and here's another video to figure out what your singular message should be. Once you have identified that, marry that with what are the problems that your skills solve. That gives you the main pain point. From that main pain point, you can then identify who are the people who have this problem the most. Then you will find what is the right way to reach these people, and then you might be able to find what is the best way to deliver your message. And this little cycle of exercise will give you the first draft, the first defining line of what your target audience's persona could be. And the moment you go through this cycle once, everything else becomes easier. You now know what to talk about because you know the pain point you're addressing. You also know where to reach these people because you know who they are. And most importantly, you will not feel awkward when you're putting your point across because you understand the value that you offer. So maybe a good starting point today would be to take 2 minutes and write down your target audience as you understand them today. Whom do you help and what do you offer? Just start there. And the moment you write it down, I can assure you that there will be a lot of questions that come up, and that is where clarity is needed so that this process becomes as simple as possible. I hope this was helpful, and I would love to hear what your thoughts would be on how you can identify your target audience when it comes to creating a personal brand or making a big shift in your career. As always, happy to learn. Thank you.